Here's a bold claim for you. This tiny box can replace your full-blown gaming desktop. Meet the ROG NUC. And while the company claims it will change how you game, stream, and create, after spending a week with it, I found something they don't tell you in the ads. Is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's dive in and find out. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the ASUS ROG NUC, launched around mid-2024, early 2025, designed for folks who want serious PC power in a ridiculously compact form factor. Built by ASUS in its Republic of Gaming line, this mini PC brings together a mobile-style, top-tier CPU and NVIDIA laptop-geared GPU in a desktop-like chassis. The pitch? A powerful gaming creator machine that takes up minimal space, perfect for small apartments, living room setups, or anyone who hates big towers. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? In my usage, gaming, streaming, creative work, this little machine punched above its size. Reviewers with the unit sporting an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H paired with a mobile RTX 4070 reported excellent performance for both gaming and productivity workloads. In one test, it achieved strong Cinebench and PC Mark scores that place it well above typical small form factor PCs. What does that feel like? Loading games felt snappy. I queued up AAA titles at 1440p resolution and it didn't choke. In a living room couch mode test, it played comfortably. For streaming or editing? Yeah, it handled that too. The system doesn't feel compromised in day-to-day use. But it's not flawless. Under very heavy multi-core loads, it can't quite match full desktop towers built with full-size RTX cards and high thermal headroom. Reviewers pointed this out. The mGPU and compact cooling mean it's slightly behind some similarly priced full-size desktops. So if you're chasing absolute maximum headroom for overclocking or ultra-high-end upgrades, this may not be the answer. Features and tech. Compact form factor design with high-end internals. The ROG NUC squeezes an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H and NVIDIA RTX 4070 mobile GPU into a 2.5-liter chassis. Why you care? You get desktop-class power without a bulky power. That means less footprint, less clutter, great for dorms, living rooms, HT setups. Great I/O and connectivity. The unit features plenty of ports, USB-A, USB-C/Thunderbolt, SD card slot, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E module. Why you care? Hooking up multiple monitors, external storage, VR gear, capture cards, or streaming setups becomes painless. Upgrade-friendly storage and RAM. While the CPU and GPU are bonded, NUC can upgrade SSD and add RAM in most configurations. Why you care? If you get it with a base configuration, you can ramp up storage and memory later, extending lifespan without buying a whole new machine. Design and build. Aesthetically, ASUS knocked it out of the park for a mini PC. The matte black finish, subtle ROG RGB accents, and compact standalone design mean it fits elegantly on a desk or shelf. In hand, it feels premium. Solid build quality, minimal flex, clever cooling vents integrated into a sleek chassis. If I had one critique, fingerprints and dust can show up, thanks to the dark surfaces. And because it's so small, heat management is accomplished via fast fans, which, under heavy load, you will hear. Reviewers flag that noise and thermals are decent, but not whisper quiet. Also, if you were hoping for full bolt-in GPU or CPU upgrades like a full tower PC, that's not the game here. The trade-off of compactness is less future-proofing than a large case build. Pros. Impressive performance for its small size. Premium build with polished, high-end feel. Upgradable storage and RAM add value. Cons. Pricey compared to similar desktops. Not as quiet or upgrade flexible as full towers. Final verdict. So, who is this for? And is it worth the money? Look, if you're a gamer, content creator, or power user who values compactness, maybe you live in a small apartment, you want a console-style PC for your living room, or you hate big towers, then the ROG NUC is a strong choice. It delivers near desktop-level performance in a minimalist form factor. On the flip side, If you're building for maximum upgradability, or if you prioritize absolute quiet, lowest cost per frame, or want to swap GPUs every year, you might be better off buying a mid-tower gaming PC and customizing it yourself. For that crowd, the ROG NUC might feel a little too expensive for what you give up in upgrade scope. But if your priority is power in the smallest box possible, yes, this is absolutely worth considering. Final line, this little powerhouse might just be the most elegant, serious PC you didn't know you needed.